How to recover old or recently deleted WhatsApp messages. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted WhatsApp messages. So let's get started. First thing, open up your WhatsApp. Make sure you're connected to your internet. Then head over to settings on the bottom right. Then go to chats. And on your chat, you'll find chat backup. Tap on it and make sure that you have backed your chat up. So after you've backed up your chat, if anything gets deleted, you can simply come back here and then tap on the recover option and just recover your deleted data. And that's one way of doing it. So the other way is, yeah, you can just try to uninstall the app once and then reinstall it back again, hoping that everything that was deleted is backed up in the cache and will be retrieved. And yeah, those are the only way. One of the sure short way is by simply recovering your backup. The other way is not really that confirmed. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.